This video will help you to get to know your new ARTEK Sport therapy system. Inside, you will find the system user manual, wrap kit, power supply, and ARTEK Sport device. Be sure to read the user manual thoroughly, including all warnings and cautions before using your therapy system. When using your system, be sure to only use the accessories and power supply that were provided with the system. The wrap kit is specifically designed to use with the ARTEK Sport and includes everything you'll need for therapy. You can access videos that demonstrate wrap application to individual body parts by clicking the QR code in the system or wrap user manual. Be sure to read all included user manuals, including the one in the wrap kit, to understand potential risks in using the ARTEK Sport. The risk of cold injury is present even when used correctly. Be sure to read the device and wrap instructions to understand all warnings and cautions prior to use. Never place the wrap directly on your skin. Always apply the wrap over a dry skin barrier or a thin piece of clothing. Extra precaution should be taken with the foot-ankle application. The potential for cold injury is greater with extremity application. The system's user interface has several LEDs to indicate system status. Buttons are used to control system operation. The displays show therapy time and water temperature. The power LED indicates when power is supplied to the system. The run rest LED indicates if the system is delivering therapy or is in rest state. The time button selects active therapy time, and the display indicates the selected time. The temperature display indicates the water temperature in the system. The run button starts and pauses therapy. To set up your system, we first need to fill the wrap with water. Remove the lid by rotating the handle backwards. This will cause the lid to lift off the device. Fill the tank with water to the lower water fill line. Next, add ice to the tank to the upper fill line indicated. Do not use large chunks of ice, as this may inhibit the lid from closing properly. Replace the lid on the top of the tank. With the lid on the tank, rotate the handle to the upright position to lock the lid. If the lid does not close correctly, be sure there are no large chunks of ice preventing the lid from closing. The lid will not close if placed backwards on the tank. The fill marks are printed on the back side of the tank. With the lid on, connect the system to wall power. The system will beep and the lights and displays will illuminate on the front of the device. Remove the wrap from the wrap kit and connect it to the end of the hose. Lay the wrap flat next to or below the level of the device. To fill the wrap with water, press the run button. The system will beep and the green run rest light will illuminate. As water starts flowing through the system into the wrap, pick up the wrap and shake it, helping to release large air bubbles from the wrap. When the wrap is full, press the run button again to stop the system and disconnect and reconnect power to reset the system settings. The ARTEK Sport is now ready to use. Apply the filled wrap to the site of injury. The instructions for wrap application can be found in the wrap kit. Instructional videos are available for each wrap application using the QR code in the wrap and system user manual. The application procedures described in the wrap user manual may need to be altered due to anatomy or injury state. The wrap may be applied as you see fit, as long as 3 rules are followed. The wrap is always applied over a dry skin barrier or a thin piece of clothing. Never apply the wrap directly against your skin. When applied, make sure that the wrap lays flat against your body without any folds or kinks, and the tubing extends straight away from the wrap and not folded back on itself. The wrap is not strapped too tight. You should easily be able to slip one finger between the wrap and your body. When you initiate a new therapy session on the ARTEK Sport, disconnect and reconnect power. This will reset any system settings. With the correct therapy time selected and the wrap applied to your site of injury, press the run button. This will initiate water flow to the wrap, and the wrap will immediately start to feel cold. During therapy, you may notice changes in flow or pulses of cold. This is normal. Once therapy is started, the therapy time cannot be changed. If a misselection was made, stop the therapy, disconnect and reconnect power, adjust the time, and restart therapy. When the set therapy time concludes, the system will go into rest mode. The time indicator will reset to 20 minutes and countdown indicating the remaining rest time, and the run rest light will blink. The rest period will last for 20 minutes and is not adjustable by the user. For your safety, it is important not to skip the rest period. After the rest period, active therapy will restart automatically, and the cycle will repeat until the user pauses the system. If a short break is needed, pause the therapy by pressing the run button. Disconnect the wrap from the hose and leave the wrap applied to your body. When the therapy restarts, it will resume from the state in which it was paused.